Hey everybody, I am 7 First Light Meteorologist Kevin Jeans. We have a storm system that will be moving by to our south through the weekend, so I do think we stay dry, but we'll keep a close eye on that low pressure as that moves by to our south throughout Saturday morning into early Saturday afternoon. But tonight, mostly clear with the exception of a few high clouds moving in, but 22 degrees the overnight low temperature, so we still drop into the 20s. And here we go through tomorrow morning. This is at 7 a.m. now, Saturday morning. Some rain-snow mix. It's pretty light stuff, but still rain-snow mix nonetheless across northern Indiana and northern Ohio. But the moisture looks to stay south of us, so with the exception of a few high clouds Saturday morning, looks like a pretty nice day across most of Michigan. A few maybe thicker clouds, slightly thicker clouds across the far southern counties. But then we get into Sunday, still plenty of sunshine there. And so for Saturday, St. Patrick's Day, high at 45, pretty good shape through the weekend. 51 then the high temperature Sunday rather. We're going to be mostly sunny, and then temperatures are in the back down into the low 40s by Monday of next week. And we'll still have some chilly nights this weekend into the 20s, but gradually getting warmer and, more importantly, staying dry with just a light breeze over the next couple of days.